Hello everyone, this is Chrism and I'd like to welcome you to this conversation about your Kundalini awakening experiences. In this conversation I'd like to talk with you about heart blockages. And I'm not talking about the kind that you go to the ER for. I'm talking about the kind that can really cause you a bit of pain in the heart area from your Kundalini. Today is Christmas Day. In Santa Rosa, California, 2015. I'm walking the wolf, Tika the wolf here. I'll try to see if I can turn the camera around. Doesn't look like I can when I'm doing this. So anyway, here's Tika. There she is. And so heart blockages. Heart blockages come from not being able to forgive, from not having a lot of emotional tolerance. People who do a lot of cannabis, people who do a lot of alcohol, people who do a lot of, say, methamphetamine or any of the legal or illegal drug options that people tend to partake of can winnow away at their emotional control. This emotional control can lead directly into heart blockages. Not saying that it's always inevitable, and I'm not trying to be talking in absolutist terms, but it is a common theme. It's a common theme among Kundalini people that I have noticed. So do your best to be as forgiving as possible if you need to take a little time. I know during this time, family members, close friends, a lot of the issues come up during Christmas time, and when we get together with our family, some of those old buttons can be pressed, and a person can fall back into old patterns. So it's important to understand that certainly during the holidays, but any time of the year, heart blockages can occur. Sometimes they will feel extremely painful, like a heartbreak. Early in my process, when I would do something that the Kundalini didn't really appreciate, or it knew that I was beyond that activity, well, then I get a heart pain. When I'm being called into a hospital scenario, well, that is a different kind of a heart pain. That is kind of a heart compelling. And I want to make a very, very significant difference between those two. A heart pain and the blockages that occur with the heart are often associated with feelings of depression, feelings of sadness in a passionate way. So it's passionate sadness. It's passionate a lack of forgiveness or holding a grudge. It's a very, very passionate type of a scenario, and I want you to be aware of that and consciously forgive yourself. Consciously take the time to do a forgiveness upon yourself and upon that person that may be causing the problem for you. Really take the time to do this, and do this over and over and over. Even if you're not in the presence of the individual, you do it over and over and over again, so that you begin to really formulate an equation of persistent forgiveness, persistent tolerance. Allow that persistence to really begin to form that equation that you fall back on. And this is the area that you fall back on automatically. This is the second nature response rather than the ego response, which is what we're used to doing. So anyway, a short video about your beautiful process, and may it continue to bless you and to bless those around you. Thank you for watching.